Hey, what's up, Nisha Gang? It's your girl, and I'm back today with another unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, and you like this video, at the end of the video, subscribe to your girl, leave me a comment down below, and hit like on this video. To my subscribers, thanks for all the mad love and support. Your girl appreciate it. So today I'm back with another unboxing. I do a lot of unboxings, fashion, makeup. I do wellness. I just do a lot of unboxings on my channel. So let's get started. I hope everybody's having a good weekend. And this is BoxyCharm. This is BoxyLuxe. So BoxyCharm has 3 subscriptions, and BoxyCharm has the $25 box, and then they have Boxy Premium, which is $35, and BoxyLuxe. You have to be, in order to get Luxe, you have to be a base member. So basically how that go is you'll pay $25 for, you'll pay $50 just for every 3 months. So basically it'll be, June, the next one will be September, and then so on, so on. So basically it'll just be one lump sum of $50, and then the next previous month it'll go back down to $25. Yeah, so that's how that works. And so this is my box. 1 second, I actually have the weight of this box for you guys. Okay, so let's see. I wrote it down, and I figured out how to find the weight of the box. So the weight of my box is 3 pounds. So 3.1 pounds, and it says 1.41 kgs. Okay, so let's get started. So I kind of already cracked it open a little bit, so it looks like this, and it has a card. So OSA, is it OSA? I think that's what this is my theme. Okay, so and I have variation 52, and it has all the prices inside. So I'm gonna put this to the side. And the first thing I'm pulling out is by Hallmark Collection. Okay, so Hallmark Collection. So this is a satin pillowcase and face mask. Okay, so I heard that silk is good for your skin. I believe your I want to say your hair, but yeah, it's probably good for your skin. So I'm excited to get this, and I think I got it. Let's see what color I got it in. Pink. Okay, so I wanted it in this color. I see it's a different. They also have a different color. It's like a leopard, like a pink, but it's had like a leopard print. But I like this, so it's really nice. Okay, nice. So this is very nice, and it comes with the face mask, and it's adjustable, so you can just adjust it to your size. And that is priced at $50. Alright, so moving along. So next thing, we have something by Kylie Skincare. Kylie Jenner. It is a foaming face mask. A foaming face wash. So it's like this, and you get 5 ounces. So I'm excited to get this as well. I'm not going to open it up because we can see what the top look like. Okay, so it's like a little pump. I'm not going to use this yet because I have some other skincare products that I'm still going through. So we're going to put this away and put this up for now. And this is priced at $24. Okay, so that's nice to have. Next, moving along. Okay. Next, we have something by Toolless Skincare. Glow and Get Up Cooling and Brighten Eye Balm. Okay, so I forgot to mention that. So with BoxyCharm, you're able to pick every month. You're able to pick one item. Also with Boxy Premium, with Luxe, you're able to pick, I believe it was 2 products. So I was able to pick the pillowcase with mask. I didn't know what color I was gonna get, but I'm happy I got pink. And then I also picked the Toolless eye cream. Okay, so if you so let's see here. Alright, so it's a nice size, and you get, so it says 0.35 ounces. Okay, so it has a little top on top right there, and this is priced at $28. Okay, so put that to the side. Next is by Bodygrass, and this Professional Cosmetics. This is a lip pencil 2-pack, and this is priced at trying to find where, $28 for you get 2. And let's see what color we got. I think I got a both of the tops fell off. So 2 new colors. So this one is in Rosewood, and so it looks like that. And then the other one is in, this one is in Potty. It's a Potty. Okay, so it looks like, so they're very nude colors. Pretty. You know, I'm happy to get these, be able to. I really don't use lip pencils, but I'm gonna start using them a little bit more, because I use them sometimes, but not like a lot. So got that. And next we have, is it by Toolless? It's the Perfect Glow BB Cream 30 for all skin types. So this is for, it says oil free, moisturizing, neutral looking coverage, matte meets glow finish. And this is priced at $35, and it has a seal on it. So I'm gonna put a little bit on, so I'm gonna unseal it. I want to see. Okay, so it covered my tattoo. So yeah, this is how it looked. I just kind of put it around my tattoo a little bit, darken it in. So, yep, okay. Next, we have by Greengrass, and this is the CBD head to toe cream, and it's like that. And you get 1 ounce, and this is priced at $56. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Let's spray a little bit on my, let's see. So this better do some wonders, okay? $56. See, that's why I love getting subscription boxes, because I would not pay for $56 for a little small size product like this, or $38 for a size product like this. It's not happening. But, you know, that's why I get subscription boxes. So, it has like a fresh smell to it. It's really light, but it's nice. I like the way it feels on my skin, so that's nice. So moving along, we have This is a recovery treatment oil. And you get 1 full ounces. And this is the packaging look like. And this is priced at... What? You guys... This is priced at $82. $82, you guys. $82, okay? This better make my skin look flawless, okay? I mean, it better take away everything, okay? That is amazing. Like, that's wow. So, yep, that's that. And then the last thing I'm going to pull out, and then we're going to do the prices in a second, okay? So, also have a coupon. Wait, is it a coupon or just the... No, it's just like a, I guess like talking about the cream right here. The Perfect Glow BB cream. So, and then it's by Kylie Skincare. You get $5 off. Enjoy $5 off. Box 5. So if you guys want to use this, I'm going to put it like this. And if you want to, go ahead and use it. Okay. And this is what the front look like this. So, yep. So that's a coupon for $5 off. It says enjoy your $5 off your next KylieSkincare.com. Order with promo code BOX5. Whoever want to use that, you go ahead and hit box 5. Okay. And last thing is for last. Woo! I'll save this for last. This baby. Okay, this is the Tarte Highlighter Performance Pro Palette. So it looks like this, the coverage. And this is priced at $49. Okay. So it also comes with like some some looks that you can create. Face looks. So yeah, so that's nice. This is a nice packaging. Okay, so it has a mirror. I'm not going to show you the mirror because, ooh, pretty. So it has some shimmers on the side and all the rest are all matte. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Ooh, I don't want to blind. Ooh, that's, hold on. There we go. So that's the palette look like. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple swatches for you guys. Okay, and then I'm going to do the pricing of everything. And then I'm going to be done with this video. We're going to be done. Okay, so we're going to do Teddy. We'll do Teddy. Ooh. Okay, okay. I see you. Glam. Okay, okay. Let's do Mop. I like this color. It's pretty. Mop. Let's do that. Alright, so I'm just going to just do 3 swatches. And they're right there. This one is Teddy. Right here. This one is Glam and Mop. So very nice. Okay, very nice. I'm very excited to use this palette. Play with this baby. So yes. Yes, BoxyCharm. I love BoxyCharm. I love getting BoxyCharm. So I'm excited for everything that I got in this box, you guys. So my Boxy Premium is coming. So that video, look out for that video next week. Sometime next week. I'm not sure when, but as soon as we come in, I'm going to do a video on it and stuff. So let me put everything. So I'm going to do a quick capture. Actually, so we got the palette. Okay. The cream. The coverage matte cream. We have the recovery treatment. We have the head to toe cream. We have the 2 lip pencils. And then we have the eye cream. And then we have the Kylie foam face foam cleanser. And then we have the face mask and the pillowcase. So that is everything, you guys. So yep, that's everything. So let me just grab my phone, and then I'm gonna do the prices of everything. Actually, let me keep all this for pricing. Okay. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So let's see. Okay, so we have 24. $352, you guys. So that is everything, you guys. So thank you for rocking with your girl. You guys already know what it is. Game.